Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna film a Halloween makeup look. I went on Pinterest and there's so many like cool like Halloween makeup that I know I can do, but I just don't have like the brushes and stuff. Like this. Are you kidding? So I kind of want to be like a skull. I love this, which I think I could probably do because I do have white paint. What's called this? And I think that's just like eyeshadow where you want it, and then like that where. See, I think I'm going to do this because I can literally just put my face in makeup and then do that over it. So yeah, that's kind of like my inspiration. So yeah, I'm going to leave all that, like all the Pinterest looks and people I've got inspo from in the description. Just, you're going to have to excuse the cats in the background. I've put the laser on for them and we're playing with it, so I hope it turns out good. I'm going to speed up a lot of this because I don't know what I'm doing personally. And I feel like I work better when I'm just like in the moment focused and doing it. So I bought these last year and never used them. Like this hasn't even been like opened. Oh, I think that was the back of it. Is it? What the hell's going on? So yeah, I bought these last year and never used them. So hopefully they work. I'm pretty sure they're water activated. Yeah, they're water activated. And this is like a fake flash palette, which I must have used at some point, but I don't remember when. And I just got these off Amazon last year. I've also got really thin paint brushes. These are from Amazon, and I've got fake blood, so we'll make something with this. So we guys do the video, and let's just change me into whatever I decide to do. I don't even know what this would be, but I've literally just taken that image. I've not looked at that image since I've done this and just went with it. I'm gonna like a broken LED doll, something like that. I put this white in my hair. I'm probably gonna regret this when it comes out. It's the finished look. I'm actually so happy with this. Probably next Halloween I might do this because it was so easy, like just chucked on foundation. I did red eyeshadow, I was going to do orange and I changed my mind because it didn't really go with like the whole red. But so you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really hope you guys recreate this. Thanks for watching my video. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.